Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club with Parikshet. And today we are going to draw something different, something amazing, something that you love. That is going to be the drawing of Harry Potter. Come on, let's get started. As always, we need a black sketch pen, some colors and a white paper. And we get started without wasting a lot of your time and our time. Let's start. Harry Potter.
Let's start with his face.
Yeah, let's start with the eyes. Okay? Okay. The eyes, I guess. Okay. And then the inner eyes. Okay. The eyes are done. And now the specs, the big specs of Harry Potter. All of you like it?
That only makes Harry Potter look a little different.
Yes. And the nose. And the smiling face of Harry Potter. Now let's make some...
This is looking like a normal boy.
Okay, it's okay. Okay? All good till here? Now let's make the face. The round. It should have a little more round. It should have been a little more round. But it's okay. The ears. And now the hairs. Okay. Yeah, we are done with the face of Harry Potter. And now we draw the lower body. Start with the scarf and the collar of the jacket.
Look at his
Okay, come on,
hairstyle.
let's start. Let's continue. Okay. Should I wait for you, Parikshet?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait for Parikshet till he reaches here. Very good. Yes. And now, what is this? The shawl of Harry Potter. We make it like this. Yeah. If you have any problem in following, you can just ask your dad. Papa, please remove your hands so that I can follow you.
I can see it.
Okay. And this. And the tie. Yeah. This is done. Yes, Parikshet?
Yes.
Now, let's do this. Now, let's make his coat. Okay. This is done. Okay. And the hands. The hands, the legs, okay. Parikshet. My drawing of the Harry Potter is almost done.
Mine also.
Yo, I'm done.
Mine also.
Come on. Now let's quickly color it. Take the brown color. I'll take the red color.
I need a skin color.
First color with the brown color the hairs.
No, wait.
Color
okay,
the...
little light brown. I want a light brown for the hair.
Okay, no problems. So we did not make the
No, head trick.
yeah.
Head trick, I mean.
So the red color.
Harry Potter's house, Hedwig. They didn't make him.
Okay, this is done. Now we'll be using the black color for the coat. That's a long one. Done, Parikshet? Okay. Okay. The shoes. The eyeballs. There's something green color in the eyeballs. Let's make it green. And the okay.
I need the skin color.
Once again.
The color like the skin and thing.
Let's color the hairs. The drawing of the hedgehog is done.
Hedgehog?
Sorry, the Harry Potter drawing is
I
done.
think you said Hedwig. A hedgehog something. It's Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yes.
Not Harry Potter the
Yeah,
Hedgehog.
I did my mistake. We are done with the drawing of Harry Potter.
Are you?
Yes, Parikshet?
Are you done with drawing?
Yes,
Coloring.
I'm done. Okay, friends.
I am almost done.
Cool. So now that we are done with the drawing, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @Kids Fun Learn Club to win some exciting goodies. We'll be waiting for your drawings. And until then, do like and subscribe to the channel and watch our next drawing video that is about to come. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.